Hello to you all and welcome. So, first we're gonna remove the front bumper. For that, you'll remove these 4 screws here. Now we're going after this one and that one. Now we're gonna remove the shocks. These 2 here on the diff case. There you go. I went to clean it a bit. So now we're gonna open it. Yeah, it doesn't have any grease. So I'm gonna clean it. Be right back to clean it better. And do you see this movement here? I have to remove it. This is too much play. So I'm gonna shim the diff. So that has a tiny circlip holding it together. It's gonna be hard to put it in then, but I'll try it. Circlip is out. To remove the circlip, like so. You have to be careful not to lose it. Now this comes off. So this ring gear is for an HSP truck, not a Laengendary Thunder. But I saw the measurements and I think it works. But we'll have to install it and see. Alright, so we have to remove these rubber washers. I'm gonna put silicone grease here. I'm gonna go with 2 shims to try it, because it seems to have less slop. 0.2 millimeter. I'm gonna shim it on the outside. This is the outside piece. I'm gonna put 2 shims, 0.2 millimeter.
C'était un énorme problème auquel les ingénieurs des années 70 ont été confrontés. Pour le résoudre, ils ont inventé une méthode très astucieuse. Ils ont construit autour de l'île un bâtard d'eau qui leur permettait ensuite de pomper l'eau qui se trouvait à l'intérieur.
Have to put the tiny circlip.
Débute en 1972. Dès lors que l'île sera asséchée et que le niveau de l'eau à l'intérieur du bâtard d'eau baissera, la masse d'eau extérieure poussera sur les plaques sans aucune force contraire.
I'm gonna put it with my nail.
Entre les deux rangées de plaques d'acier, ils solidifient l'ensemble
It's in.
et permettent au barrage provisoire de résister à la pression exercée par les eaux du lac. La création de ce double bâtard d'eau aura nécessité 17 000 planches métalliques, 2 ans d'assemblage.
Already done this on this side.
Pour le remplir, soit l'équivalent de 80 piscines olympiques. La construction d'un tel bâtard d'eau était assez inhabituelle, voire unique à cette époque. Et également,
Gonna remove the shims to show you.
n'a pas été incluse dans ce bâtard d'eau. La partie nord a dû être laissée de côté.
And the bearing.
$1 million de plus. Donc le bâtard d'eau se terminait juste derrière le
See the shims? No play.
ont finalement été démantelés par des plongeurs.
So
On peut se demander,
I think it's good.
mais ils en sortent.
So ended up being 2 shims here and 2 shims here. 3 was too much. So 2 shims of 0.2 millimeters on each side. Now I'm gonna put 50,000 CTS Diff oil. Now the top gears. No pun intended. Little bit more. And now moving the gears. Introduces air, but I want to be sure that I have oil in all the places. I'm gonna let it sit so the air bubbles get out. As this has another gear here, we're gonna leave some space for the gear. It can't be totally full.
To motorize Germany, not only the rich people but the whole population. This was quite a challenging.
But Hitler recognized that the boundaries of engineering economics had been pushed to their limits and gleefully signed off on the prototype. Hitler actually checked that.
Yeah, clean that up. Can you find old straw someplace? This is straw that does not have any little pokies in there like wheat straw does.
As written by Dr. Paul, they will make our here today.
We'll see ya.
Thanks, Dr. Paul.
Take care.
You too. I'll have my son Chase over here with me so you can see the
the way I feel he should be.
As I do this.
I still feel like he's having issues.
Maybe that she's had a bit of a hard labor birth.
Everything seems to be working.
Tucker has not been her regular self.
She's been real less than lethargic. But I can't tell you. Move all this fluff out of the way. Can't take anything.
Pregnant schnauzer, Chloe.
She's been in labor for
The placenta has a whole bunch of green.
No. Turn it around. Now I have to do the same to the rear one. That will be on part 2. Alright. Thanks for watching.